Welcome to Module 12, all about semi-pro equipment. If you're trying to take your content production to the next level, it's actually incredibly easy to take it to the next level to at least a semi-pro status with some basic things you can get right off Amazon. It'll be in your house in a day or two, and you won't break the bank. The most expensive part is usually your phone, and you already have one. So check this out. We're going to go over from lighting to mics to tripods and a few other toys I personally use from time to time. But if you have any other semi-pro equipment challenges or questions, make sure you drop that into our community chat because I love testing new products. But I'm all about efficacy and speed and efficiency. So you'll see some things here that are pretty much always on me when I travel, when I adventure, when I chim in my car, in my bag, because it makes my content production that much better. And you'll understand how to use it yourself and what you really need for what you're going to do. Because we all have different goals here. We're all not just making these talking head videos. But anyways, let's chat soon. I'll see you in the next video.